Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Gengar as Itachi. So first let's get started with the eyes. So we're going to bring this line down on a diagonal on the right. We're going to do the same as we come down on the left. From the corner on the inside, we're going to bring this diagonal line out towards the top. Let's move underneath now and draw in a nice big half circle. So we're going to curve this around and up on the right. We'll move over, replicating that on the left. Let's step in for the eye. We're going to draw in an oval underneath, curving that through. Let's move in towards the middle now, drawing in another oval right in the center. Let's draw in the mouth on the left-hand side. We're going to curve this line all the way over and up on the right. And then underneath, we're going to arch this line around and then through on the side. Let's close off the teeth. In the center, we're going to draw in a straight line coming up. And let's step over on both sides, replicating that. And then again, one more time as we move out on the side. Let's come up and draw on the spikes on top. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming up and then back down. From the middle again, we're going to bring this line out and then back through towards the middle. Now we're going to draw this a little bit smaller, bringing this over and then down. And then again, replicating that, making that smaller. Now from here, let's draw on the top of the ear. So on the right-hand side, we're going to draw that diagonal line coming out. We're going to do the same thing. Stepping up slightly, coming over on the left. Let's come down now. In the center, we're going to draw on the cloak first. So from the middle, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out towards the side. We're going to do the same thing as we bring this over and then through on the right. Now let's close off the head. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this in towards the top. We're going to do the same thing as we step over on the right, ending that at the same height. Now from here in the top corner, we're going to curve this around and then down towards the side. Let's step in on the back now. We're going to curve this line out past that line. And then from here, we're going to bring this line down on a diagonal towards the bottom. Now let's close off the center. We're going to draw in a straight line that comes directly down in the middle. Moving over on the left-hand side, we're going to leave a little bit of a gap coming over and out on the side. We're going to do the same on the right. And then stepping over on the inside, we're going to curve this back in towards the side of the head. Now let's replicate this as we come down. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this down towards the bottom, ending that at the same height. We're going to do the same thing as we step down on the right. Now from here, from that corner, we're going to curve this line over and in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same on the right, bringing this over and then through. Let's close off the side of the cloak, leaving a gap. We're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. Again, replicating that on the right. Now from here, let's close this off. So we're going to arch this line over and through towards the right. Let's draw on the arms. From that corner on the top, we're going to curve this line down. We're going to do the same on the right. Now from the side here, we're going to curve this over and in. Let's draw on our hands. So we're going to bring this line down and then back up. In the middle, let's replicate that again, bringing that over and through towards the side. And then again, stepping over, replicating that, bringing that out, and then through towards the sleeve. Let's draw in our feet. So from the inside on the left, we're going to curve this line out and then back in. We're going to do the same on the right. Now stepping across again, we're going to bring this line out and then through on the top. And then again, bringing this over and through, blending that in. Now let's draw on the cloud pattern. So we'll start on the left-hand side. We're going to curve this line up. From that point, we're going to arch this line over and out. From here, curving this around and through towards the right. From that point, curving this around and back up. Now from that point, we're going to bring this around and then back in on the middle. And then again, curving this further up towards the top, bringing this around and in. Now from here, we're going to bring this line over and through toward the side. Let's replicate the shape on the top now. So from the side, we're going to curve this around and down. From that point, curving this back, around and in. Now from here, curving this over and through. And then again, just arching that over and out on the side. Now let's come across. We're going to again step in, curving this out. We're going to bring this line up and over. From that point, let's bring this line around and then through towards the top. Let's curve this around, bringing this down, up, and then back in. Again, let's curve this line over, around, back through. From that point, bringing this around and back in. Let's curve this line through towards the center. Now from the middle, bringing this back, around, and then down. And then from that point, we're going to curve this around and in. And now let's bring this line up and over, connecting that. And then we're just going to follow this pattern around. So from that point, we're going to bring this line in, curving this line up and over. We're going to bring this line around and down. Again, let's curve this around and through. Again, bringing that over and in. And just closing that off. Let's draw another small cloud on the bottom right here. So on the top, we're going to curve this around and up. From that point, we're going to curve this around, back in. Now from here, we're going to bring this out, down and through towards the left. From that point, we're going to bring this out. We're going to curve this around and down. And then again, arching that around and back up. And then from that point, curving that out towards the side. Let's follow this around. So on the top, arching this through and in. Curving that out, down and over towards the left. From that point, bringing this over, back in. And then again, curving this around and down towards the bottom. Let's draw in two small clouds up here beside Gengar. So on the inside, we're going to spiral this. We're going to curve this around and down. We're going to flip over on the left-hand side, replicating that, just mirroring it. Now from here, we're going to arch this line up, down, and out. Again, on the inside, we're going to curve this over and through. And then coming underneath, curving this down, back up. Now let's bring this line out and through again. And then again from that point, just curving this over and through towards the side. And that is it. That's how you draw Gengar as Itachi. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.